How to get your videos suggested by YouTube. How to use YouTube suggestion feature the right way. You want your channel to explode with new subscribers and more views. But YouTube search probably isn't the answer. You need to get your videos suggested by YouTube. One of the most powerful traffic sources on YouTube is the suggested videos. It drives millions of YouTube views every day and will continue to do that forever. Learn how to get more suggested views on YouTube is the most important thing, so you can attract more people who watch other channels like yours. One thing from my experience I can say, thumbnail along with audience retention is the most driving factor for a video to get a boost within the first 24 hours. Create a YouTube traffic jam with these 4 simple optimization tips. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google? YouTube has climbed to the top with over almost 5 billion videos watched on YouTube every single day. Uploading and marketing your videos on YouTube can help give your content visibility in both YouTube and Google search. Today we'll explore 4 ways to optimize your YouTube channel to ensure your videos are being discovered, watched and shared by your audience. 1. Optimize your video's metadata. What is the metadata, you ask? Metadata is all the information you enter about a video to help clearly define the subject of a video. In terms of YouTube, the metadata makes up the title, descriptions, and tags of your videos. 2. Write a concise, descriptive title using key phrases that people would search to find your video. Manage your recommendations and search results. Every famous YouTuber says the same thing. Use YouTube recommendation, suggestion, feature. Know what? Wrong. If you follow those tips, you are doing that incorrectly. You are wasting time. Maybe not if you are lucky. Why? Let me explain. Your activity on YouTube, Google, and Chrome may influence your YouTube search results, recommendations on the home page, in-app notifications, and suggested videos among other places. Pay attention, may influence, is not guaranteed. If you see recommendations on a subject like it to you, go ahead and do a background search on that subject. Keyword research. It's one of those things every video creator on YouTube should have in their skill set. Keyword research basics, using the YouTube search bar, suggested, look for the one you like. You don't want to make videos in a subject no one is interested in. So before we dive into the details, there are 3 fundamentals of keywords. YouTube, this is a keyword, one single word. Oman 6.0 My channel on YouTube, this is a keyword, a complete sentence. When you put in a single word into a YouTube search, you're not going to get exactly what you're looking for. Often, when people search on YouTube, or on Google, they're looking for keyword phrases, aka long-tail keywords. If I'm hungry and I'm looking for the nearest restaurants, is logic, then look for something like, where is located the fast food restaurant, or something similar. And of course, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to make a research for your video future content title. You want to be sure that your keyword phrases, aka long-tail keywords, have a relevant audience. As a very simple example, let's take the title, How to Get More YouTube Views. Now, using the free version of vidIQ or whatever tool you are using, I recommend vidIQ, link in the description. Go to YouTube search bar and type, How to Get More YouTube Views. Now we have a pretty good, broad keyword, for how to get more YouTube views. In the right side of your screen you will see highest views, how many views this keyword have. AVG views, the average views. AVG subscribers, approximately how many subscribers this keyword get. Added last 7 days, how many time in the last 7 day was added. CC, is it use caption or not. AVGH, how old the keyword is. Times in title, how many time in titles it appeared. Times in desk, how many time in videos descriptions. Top creator, the top creator that used that keyword. And finally overall score, medium around 50%, volume 43, competition medium. Top channels for this search term. Related queries. Top related keywords. Now go back and make another search, how to get more. Do you notice the difference? How to get more YouTube views, highest views, 6,105,929. How to get more, highest views, 22,435,326. It is nearly 75% different? Now do another one, this time use longtail keyword, or gator tail, how to get more views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. At this moment this one is generated, highest views, 5,366,619 AVG views, 707,014 AVG subscribers, 623,000. Subscribers 623,000. You are using this technique with your title main keyword, how to get more views and subscribers on your YouTube channel, how to get more views and subscribers on your YouTube, how to get more views and subscribers. Secondary, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, how to get more. Last resource, how more views, more subscribers. It is up to you, but now you have an arsenal to play with and look for one that is best for you. Now one last thing, search again, but this time use, how to make perfect channel. Highest views, 9 million AVG views, 2 million AVG subscribers, nearly 7 million. But volume 0. Competition low. Now, how to make a perfect channel. Highest views, 43 million AVG views, 4 million AVG subscribers, 3 million and half. Volume 0. Competition low. Do you get the idea? How to make perfect channel and how to make a perfect channel have 50% different. But the competition is still low in both keyword. Now do research for this keyword, how. Highest views, 200 million AVG views, 16 million AVG subscribers, 3 million. But overall score, medium. Volume 85. Competition very high. Now you have an idea what to do. What about if you make a video related to something that no one is looking for? Your video will be stuck in YouTube server's farm. So think as CEO and do a SEO research before you make your next video, planning ahead. Now you already have your video and you go to upload. Stop. Ask yourself, is this the correct time for my video? Do my subscribers watch this video as I uploading now? Trust me, it is very important for you, so do that. The first 24 hours. Do you remember the movie from Denzel Washington? Your first 24 hours is your first 24 hours. This is your golden time. The first day of your video's life is your video's golden time. In this 24-hour, YouTube algorithm analyze your video, likes, comments, subscribers, views, retention, time watching, etc., etc. After that YouTube has enough data for the video and it promotes as per the data it collects. There are a few things to look at in your YouTube analytics that will reveal when it's the best time to post your new YouTube videos. You can take their geography into consideration as well as the normal daily routine of someone in your audience. You can also use other tools, like vidIQ, to see when your subscribers are most active on YouTube to determine when the best time is for you to publish new videos. Are they at work? Are they in school? Which the best time recommendation to upload? Remember those 24 are very important. Maybe you want to upload 1 or 2 hours before the rush traffic in your most popular region so your video is waiting for them. This video gives ideas on how to determine the best time to post on YouTube and the tools you can use to figure that out. But you need to do your research. Now after 72 hours passed, check your result. Is you are not happy with that, going back. Remember, now you're a CEO, not content creator, so do your job. Change your thumbnail, look for more keywords, or use those than you have in your planning script but not used. Try different combinations. Keep changing your thumbnail and watch the change it does on real-time data. If change is positive, go ahead with the selected thumbnail or keep changing it till you hit the one that is working for you. After you finish uploading, go ahead and give the first boost to your video. Is your video right? Watch, like, comment, be creative. Everyone desires to succeed but most fall far short of achieving their goals. So do not be disappointed, don't be discouraged, practice make the master. Stay motivated. Get some positive energy. Together, we will work on your, with a positive attitude. Always moving forward. Stay focused. But always believe in yourself. You can do it. We can do it. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.